In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Squarespace to WordPress. We'll focus on using Squarespace's built-in export tool to package your content in a format WordPress understands so you can make the move with confidence. Before we begin, a quick note on what this process does. Squarespace's export to WordPress gathers your key content like pages, blog posts, galleries, categories, tags, and comments into a single file. Design and styling don't transfer, and some specialized content types, like certain commerce features or custom blocks, may not be included. That's normal, and you can recreate those elements after the import in WordPress. Let's get started inside your Squarespace dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner for the settings icon, the small gear. Click that to open the main settings area. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct one and that you have the right permissions to access export options. Inside Settings, find the Website section and choose Import and Export Content. This is the hub, where Squarespace lets you move data in or out. If your site is large, it can help to tidy up drafts or unused pages beforehand, but it's not required. On the Import and Export screen, click Export. This tells Squarespace you want to package up your site's data. You'll see an option to choose a format. Select WordPress. This ensures the export is prepared as a WordPress-compatible file. Typically, an XML that WordPress can read during import. After you choose WordPress, Squarespace begins generating the file. You may see a progress indicator while it compiles your content. The time this takes depends on your site's size. Smaller sites may finish in under a minute, larger ones can take longer. While it's working, keep the tab open and avoid navigating away so the process can complete smoothly. When the export is finished, Squarespace will provide the file that contains your content in a WordPress-ready format. That file is what you'll later use in the WordPress dashboard to bring in your pages, posts, and media references. If your site includes lots of images, WordPress will typically fetch them during import, so expect that step to take additional time later. To recap, you opened Settings from the bottom left gear, went to Website, chose Import and Export Content, clicked Export, and selected WordPress as the format. That's all you need on the Squarespace side to prepare your content for migration. Thanks for watching. In the next stage of your move, you'll use this export file to import into WordPress, apply your new theme, and rebuild any specialized sections. Take your time, verify your content, and you'll have a smooth transition.